So you can see we have successfully completed our scan, and you can click here to see the scan. Now it is showing only 2 vulnerabilities, which means the Windows machine is secured and there are no vulnerabilities. So let us see what are the 2 vulnerabilities. Or it's just information. Since it is blue, it's information. There is no vulnerability present in the virtual machine. So this is Nessus scan information. If you click that, it gives a description and it gives the output. So the entire output, see, experimental tests, no. Safe checks, yes. Optimize the test, yes. So everything has been done by the Nessus scanner. So, and the second one is trace route. So it took 8 hops from my device IP address to reach to my virtual machine. So if the target website has vulnerabilities, you can see this vulnerabilities option here. All critical, high, medium, low, everything is seen. If possible, I will also put a video of a very high vulnerability website, so you can get a clear idea. And here you can download the report for your scan that has been happened. So in this way, okay, so right now we'll see how the scan is. And yes, so it's asking me if I could save my scan, and yes, okay, I would like to save my scan. So yeah, this was all about Nessus. So please make sure that you go through the tool, and just for your information, we are showing this practical. We are not actually going into detail. Nessus has many plugins, tools, and there is a logic how we use Nessus for vulnerability scanning. So I hope you got an overview of an automated vulnerability tool. But a major drawback of such automated tools, I'm not only talking about Nessus, but every other automated tool which is available in the market, is that these automated tools may result in false positives, which means there is no vulnerability, but the scanner has detected it. So an experienced penetration tester or ethical hacker does not really fully depend upon the automated scans. He has to manually check each and every vulnerability if it is present on the target machine, and that is where your hacking skills comes into picture. So there will be another courses for hacking, but right now you first need to understand the concepts more clearly, and then you can grasp those steps. So right now let us stop our lecture here, and me and Yash will surely try to upload a video on a website with, or a machine with, more vulnerability, so that you can get a clear idea of how this machine works. So till then, keep practicing and don't forget to give the tests.